Okay, so in this question we've been asked to rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator means to get rid of any surd terms from the denominator of this fraction. And the way that we do that is we take the fraction, and we're just going to write it down as it's presented. We're going to multiply above and below by the conjugate of the denominator. Now, what's the conjugate of the denominator? The conjugate of the denominator is where we take the two terms on the bottom and we change the sign in the middle of those two terms. So we multiply above and below by that because essentially that's just the same as multiplying by the number 1. And multiplying anything by 1 leaves it unchanged. So it will get rid of the surds from the bottom, but it will keep it an equivalent fraction. So to multiply the top by the top, I'm just going to put them together beside each other in brackets. So it's 2 minus root 3 on 5 plus root 3, and I'll open up those brackets to multiply them out. And the same with the bottom, we have 5 minus root 3 on 5 plus root 3. Now we will see a shortcut how to multiply the denominator by its conjugate, but we'll just do it using this method first of all. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 5, which is 10, 2 times root 3, which is 2 root 3, minus root 3 by 5, which is minus 5 root 3, and then root 3 by root 3 is root 3 squared, and root 3 squared is the number 3, so that's going to be minus 3. Then on the bottom, I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, which is 25, 5 times root 3, which is plus 5 root 3, minus root 3 by 5, which is minus 5 root 3, and then minus root 3 by root 3 is again minus root 3 squared, and root 3 squared is the number 3, so that's minus 3. On the top, I'm going to combine like terms, so 10 minus 3 is 7, and 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 is minus 3 root 3. And then the reason we multiply the denominator by its conjugate is that the surds will cancel. Plus 5 root 3 minus 5 root 3 cancel, and leaves us with 25 minus 3, which is 22. Now, to quickly take a look at how we could have more quickly multiplied the denominator by its conjugate, this is the difference of two squares factorization of 5 squared minus root 3 squared. 5 squared is 25, and root 3 squared is 3, and 25 minus 3 is 22. So again, if asked to rationalize the denominator, we're trying to get rid of the surds so that all the terms in the denominator are rational numbers.